Hey everyone, in this video I'm about to show you whether Sintra AI is worth it. Sintra AI is a platform that helps people grow their social media, especially on LinkedIn, by using artificial intelligence to create and manage content. It promises to make posting easier by writing posts for you based on your style, and it also tracks engagement to help you grow faster. The website looks clean and modern with simple navigation and clear sections explaining the tools it offers. It even provides templates and a scheduling system so you don't have to manually pause every day. Users say it saves them a lot of time, especially those who don't know what to write. The AI-generated posts are usually high quality and feel natural, but some people feel they still need a little editing to sound more personal. Sintra also gives analytics to show what kind of content is working best. One of the good things is that it supports brand growth by helping you stay consistent. However, the pricing can be a bit higher for beginners or small creators. It's mainly useful for professionals, marketers, and entrepreneurs trying to build an audience. Customer support is responsive and setup is quick. The platform continues to add new features, which is a good sign. Overall, Sintra AI is worth trying if you're serious about growing your LinkedIn or need help creating content regularly. Just be sure to review each post before publishing. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.